3 for the first 8 months. Then C-Buzz came in. Thank you, Hernandez. This is 1718 Prizm Hobby. 1 box, PYC. Number 15. This is Tatum rookie year, Bam rookie year, Fox rookie year. Donovan Mitchell rookie year. Good luck. We're going to have some 19, in the next couple of days, guys, we'll have some 1920 Prizm color breaks. With John Zion rookies. There's a blue of Devin Booker. Nice. For the base nod, there's Tatum. Tatum rookie. Isaac. We have a Porzingis Fundamentals Hyper. What are you no commenting? Talking about 007. Cards are stuck together. Mitchell Emergent Base. Wesley Johnson Hyper. Ilyasova. It's crazy how the cards just stick together. After only a few years. Sumner. Giles. Patton. Blue Ice coming. Blue Ice of J.J. Redick.
Coach.
That's the new Laker coach. Is that orange or red? It's one of the colors. Fultz, he was the #1 pick this year. We have a base auto of Tyler Lydon. Hernandez. Silver of Bradley. Orange of Buddy Hield. Come on. See a gold, black, something. Lillard. We'll put box 16 up. Wesley Awundu base auto for Hernandez. Spoelstra. Jared Allen's a rookie here. He's dominating the league right now. Anthony Davis. Lonzo's a rookie. Laurie's a rookie. Purple. The colors there, it's just the wrong players. As we say that. Fred Hoiberg. Malik Monk's a rookie. 2 packs left. Something that's blue is coming. Ryan Anderson blue. John Collins. And that is
Not it.
the break. We don't have much of this left. How many boxes are over there?
Just one.
Just that one?
Yep, it's PYC 16.
Oh, but then there's 2 more over there.
Okay.
Oh, so we have 3 boxes left. Once we do these 3, guys, after we do these 3, we'll go to 1920. We got 3 boxes of this left. We'll put 16 on the screen.